Hello children, welcome to today's online class. Yes children, in this class let us see the meaning of the lesson. Unit 9, lesson number 9, Chotu's Journey. Okay children, so this story is about a baby elephant's tour, that is trip. Okay, Chotu's Journey. Journey means tour or trip. Who is Chotu children? Yes, he is Chotu. In the picture you can see, no, he is Chotu. He is a baby elephant. Okay, children. He was born in a forest. Okay, and he was really tiny. Tiny means small. That's why his mother Rani named him Chotu. Okay, children, he was really tiny. He was really small. That's why his mother Rani named him Chotu. Okay, what happened then? He was very small and all his brothers and sisters, uncles and aunts took good care of him. Okay, here in the picture you can see uncles, aunts, brothers and sisters. They took good care of him. Okay children, they all made sure that he was never left alone. Every time they were with this tiny elephant, that is Chotu. Okay children, always they took good care of him. And again what happened? However, one day he got lost. Oh, he got lost it seems. How children? Let us see here. When his family was going to the river to have a mud bath and drink water. Okay, the river was very far. They had to cross many small brooks and thick cluster of trees to reach the river. So, that time what happened, see here, his family was going to where children? To the river. Why? To have a mud bath. Okay, mud bath. What is mud bath children? Mud bath means it's a bath of mud. Okay, elephants love rolling in the sand beds. Okay children. So that's why they were going to the river. Why it is so important for them? Because elephants' mud baths forms the protective layer on their skin. Okay children, and also it prevents sunburn and also relieves them from insect bite. That's why they love to have mud bath and also to drink water they were going. So the river was very far. So that's why they had to cross many small brooks and thick clusters of trees. Cluster means a small groups of trees. Why? To reach the river. So on the way what happened? Chotu felt hungry. That's why he stopped to eat grass. Okay. He was hungry. That's why he stopped to eat grass. And when he had eaten his fill, he looked up. Okay. He looked up. After eating his fill, what happened? He looked up. He could not see anyone. So he was searching. Nobody is there with him now. So he walked left, he walked right. He went round and round the grassland. Grassland means it's a large open area of country covered with grass. Okay. See here. Grassland. In the picture you can see. So he was searching for their family. But nobody was there with him. What happened? See now, but he could not see his family. Chotu started to cry. See how pity, no? Chotu is crying here in this picture. Next, what happened? Let us see. Next, two campers saw him. Who saw him? Two campers. Campers means, so a person, camper means a person who spend a holiday. Here in the picture, these two campers, okay. So, a person who spend a holiday in a tent. This is called tent, okay children, or holiday camp. Okay children. So, the two campers saw him and they felt sorry for Chotu. See, oh, he's crying, no, like that. They were so sad. They felt very sorry for this Chotu. And again, see, they gently guided him to their camp. This is called camp area. You can see tent, no, children. So they gently guided him to their camp. Baby elephant, right? That's why they gently guided him to their camp. Next, what happened? See, and again Chotu followed them everywhere. Okay, Chotu followed them whom? To these campers are there, no, two campers. So Chotu followed them everywhere. That's why he became their pet. So in our house we can see pet animals, right, children? Pet dog, pet cat, like that only. So he means who? This Chotu. Chotu became the two campers' pet. Okay, now but see here, but they could not keep Chotu with them forever, right, children? Because this is not domestic animal. That's why, so they could not keep Chotu with them forever. And also they did not want to leave him alone in the forest. That also, see here, he is a baby elephant, right, children? He is not a big elephant, baby elephant. So that's why, see here next, thus began his long journey to the zoo. Okay, children, that's why began his long journey to where, children? To zoo. Okay, children, let us see his journey now. Started. Whose journey started now? This Chotu's journey. Where? To zoo. Okay, children, let us see how. Chotu was led in a big truck here. So Chotu was led in a big truck and he was scared. Scared means afraid. That is new for him, right, children? That vehicle is new for him. That's why he was scared. And see, he had never seen anything like this before. Right, children? So one camper sat in back with him here. One camper sat in the back with him. After many hours on the road, the truck stopped and Chotu was happy to walk on the ground again. So after many hours on the road, okay, children, after many hours on the road, the truck stopped and Chotu was happy to walk on the ground again. He was very happy to walk on the ground. Next, what happened? But the next morning, what happened? See, he was again led in a boat. A very big boat. Here in the picture you can see. And before he could walk out, the boat's engine started with a loud roar. Okay, children. Poor Chotu, he was very uncomfortable. He was not comfortable with that boat. Okay, children, he liked to walk on the ground. But here, he was in the boat. Right, children? So next what happened? He could only see water all around. He was in the boat for how many days? See, 2 days and 2 nights. And again he did not eat anything, children. So sad, no? And he spent most of his time sleeping only. Everywhere he can see only water all around him. Right, children? And next what happened? See, on the 3rd morning, Chotu could see land. By seeing the land, Chotu was very happy. Okay, he was very happy to see the land again. The boat reached land. Chotu was gently led off the boat and again put on a truck. After this boat journey, so see here, again put on a truck. Chotu was gently led off the boat and again put on a truck. Again, here in the picture you can see, no, children. So this is port, right? So now he is again going to the truck again gently. See next. There was a lot of noise in this place. Which place? Let us see. Chotu did not like the noise. After a little while, the truck stopped at an animals park. What is that? Animals park. So noise is from where, children? From the road in the city. Okay, noise is from the city by the vehicles. Okay, factory sounds like that. And while the truck stopped at the animals park, Chotu was happy to see grass and trees again. So he was happy now to see what, children? Grass and trees again. Next, what happened? See, Chotu knew that this was his new home. Okay, Chotu knew that this was his new home. What is that? Animal park. Okay, so he knew he had traveled far from his family, that is forest, and also he had a very nice keeper at the park. Keeper means guard. Okay, children. So he had a very nice keeper at the park. Which park that is? Animal park. So we call zoo. Right, children? So see here now, Chotu is no longer Chotu now. Many children come to visit him. He is busy from morning to night entertaining them. So in the picture you can see, what is this, children? Animals park, that is zoo. Now Chotu is no longer Chotu now. Okay. He is not small elephant, not baby elephant. Right, children? So many children come to visit him and he is busy from morning to night entertaining them. Entertain means what? To amuse. Okay, children? To provide enjoyment. So here in the picture you can see these children are having elephant ride. They are enjoying a lot. Right, children? So Chotu is also very happy to see these children and green grass. Right, children? He was very happy. So this is about Chotu's journey from where, children? From forest to the animals park, that is zoo. Okay, children? So this is about today's session. Read this one, children. Okay? Read this lesson once again. In the next class, let us see new words and question and answers. Okay, children? Have a good day. Take care.